How to stop brain fog and start focusing on the task you need to pursue. I want to share with you my techniques that I use to stop my brain fog and when I feel I can't concentrate anymore. First, you need to realize when your brain is foggy, it means the oxygen level in the brain is low. And you need to raise oxygen level in your blood and in your brain. How to do that? You need to do this technique I call oxy breath. I show you. You need to do 3 oxy breaths. Oxy breath is a loud, deep breath you take using your voice, using your breath, and using your arms. You do it like this. Oh. Oh. 3 times. 3 deep, loud breaths. After 3 breaths, you feel the difference immediately because the oxygen level in your blood and in your brain become higher after this. You can continue breathing like that if you want to increase oxygen level even more, but 3 breaths usually enough to restart your computer. Another way, what I do, I remove the energy from the brain fog. Brain fog producing energy. It's totally different energy that come from the brain compared to normal brain. When you feel clear and you feel the energy that come from your brain is different. So brain fog really has this smushy, like dark, this like liquidy kind of energy, totally different compared to cool, vibrant energy that come from the focused brain. So what you need to do, you need to rub your hands together, spread them apart, and feel the energy in your hands as tingling sensations. I feel my hands very tingly right now. This is subtle body energy, and tingling means my hands are ready to clean the brain. So now I need to bring my hands close to the brain, maybe 30 centimeters from the brain, and find the end of the aura. You find the end of the aura when you bring your hands closer to the head and you feel this resistance, and you can do a test of the aura by pushing and pulling the aura like that. It means you found the end that comes from the brain, and now you can clean the energy that comes from the brain using sweeping motion. Sweep, 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 and throw this energy. I usually throw into the fire and burn this toxic energy of the brain fog, and you keep doing it until your energy that come from your brain become really cool, vibrant, and very clear energy. So keep cleansing like that and test the aura that comes from your brain. When you feel that the aura that comes from your brain is clean, your brain fog is gone. So these 2 techniques, oxy breath and clearing the energy that comes from your brain, they work like magic. Try.